Hi, my name is Amanda Huff, and this song is called Neighboring Moons. It's the very first song off of my recently released album, Himiptera, and it's just about like providing comfort to somebody who's far away from you, with a little game about sharing the moon.
Upon me eyes, your neighboring moon. To the gods below, it's never too soon. Close your eyes and walk on hot goals, and don't waver from the curve.
And I'm be sure they'll never know your skirt. And I'm be sure they'll never know your skirt.
Everything is right, let the right ones know that it feels right. If it feels nice, let the right ones know that it feels nice. If you can't let go, but your fingers are slipping,
your arms going tight and your legs left hanging on. Let them know it's never too soon.